Today we are in Maida Vale, one of the areas where Access has conducted major works for Westminster City Council for the last 2.5 years. On this project we worked on 60 properties on 10 different streets in Paddington and Maida Vale area. We did external and internal works. External works included roofs, brickworks, masonry, windows, rainwater goods and groundworks. We did renewal and the repairs on pitched slated roofs, on flat roofs and balconies. Also we did the brick repointing, masonry, stonework and stucco repairs, as well as dove cleaning. Windows and doors have been refurbished. Groundworks included asphalt renewal, slabs renewal and rebedding. The main idea was to protect the building from the weather and keep them in a good condition. Internal works in this project included redecoration of the communal areas. We have done the renewal and cleaned the floor coverings. We also upgraded the fire safety by renewing the flat doors, completing the FRA works and added new ventilation to improve the airflow into the flats. As part of the works, in some of the properties we have fitted extractor fans in the kitchen and bathrooms, as well as the PAV units. This will help to improve the air quality and to prevent the formation of the damp and the mold in the flats. These works help to extend the life of the buildings, which made them safer, stronger and more comfortable for the residents.
The client is always working with us. There is different quality management plans and quality checks throughout these projects with Westminster, which we are used to and we do ours. So the client is very happy with all of the works that have been carried out throughout all the properties in all the different streets. We are in commissioning for a new project coming up 2026, and I'm really looking forward to deliver and work on that project as well.
I'm happy with the works that Access has carried out so far. It meets the agreed standard and expectation. Progress has been in line with project scope and quality requirements. Since I joined this project 6 months ago, it has been a learning experience. Despite challenges, the team showed professionalism, positivity, teamwork and a proactive approach from everyone involved. From my perspective, maintaining open communication and continued collaboration will be the key to the successful completion of the remaining works. Overall, the project has progressed positively.
The communication with the residents was a key part of the job. We made sure they were always informed about the ongoing works across the project.
So my experience with Access was positive. So we worked well together over the last year, responsive to the needs that I needed, and generally I found it collaborative and easy. I've been here for the last 7 years and actually I hadn't realised how tired some of the exterior looked. So actually generally it just looks brighter, sharper, cleaner, and I can notice a notable difference from when I first purchased the property to today. I would recommend Access as a contractor. I think choosing a contractor is super tough. You're always going to be critical, there'll always be challenges, but what made a difference was having that personal touch and that human interaction with Access directly. So I have their numbers, I can contact them if something isn't quite right, and we meet and discuss and make good. So that's why I would choose them. The work with Access has been positive. I've enjoyed the experience and I am happy that I have got a home that looks fresh and clean.